Hi guys, I'm Sean JZ. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys to create a portfolio template using Adobe Photoshop. Something like this. Okay, let's get started. First thing, go to File, New. 650 by 550 would be the width and height. Resolution, I kind of gone for a low res as this is a tutorial, but you could go for up to 300 depending on your website. Okay, clicking on OK will bring up the new canvas. Next thing will be selecting our background color. Before we do that, we'll have to select our image. So I kind of went for a low res image depending on my needs, because my aim is to create a tutorial. So for you guys, as it's a portfolio template, you need a very good quality images or photos. Okay, right click, open with Adobe Photoshop CS3. Once I've got it, drag it and drop it onto your canvas. It's perfectly matches. Okay, next thing would be the border. So what we'll do is create a new layer. It's clicking on the layer and drag it and drop it onto your create new layer tab and rename it as border pure or you could just create a new layer. Just press alt delete. That's easy. Just forget this command that I've told you. That's just to create a copy. Okay, once we've got the background layer, I kind of selected a light blue. So press I on your keyboard to get the eyedropper. I kind of went for this color because I need a lighter margin, so that would be this. Alt delete to get the foreground color onto your canvas. Okay, just click on your image layer and arrange it to the top and to the very top of your layer tab. Okay, now once we've got the image, press Ctrl T and holding on Shift and Alt, reduce the size of the image depending on the amount of border you want. Okay, mine's cool. Once we've done that, okay, what else will make it as some more smaller? Press Shift Alt. Okay, next thing would be to go double clicking on the layer tab, image layer tab, and inside the blending options select the stroke effect, and we'll have the fill type to gradient and the style to reflected. Okay, and change the color. Also we could reverse it. Okay, we got these two shiny stuffs. Let's go. As for the black, we'll have a darker blue, dark wave or something which differentiates both the background color and the image background. Okay, have the stroke to 4, but still make the color darker. Okay, that's done. If you want to increase the shininess, what you could do is increase the scale. Yeah. Okay, click on OK. Next thing would be the text. Okay, create a new layer by clicking on the new layer tab and select your marquee tool and create a rectangle. This is gonna be your header. So, okay, press on Alt and Delete on your keyboard. Just Control T and then rotate it to give it a slant look. Okay, done. Okay, now we need to create a text. Mine would be fine. Tutor web. Change it to Pro. Any font you like. Okay. We'll go for anagram like that. Okay, anagram. Let's go. Depending, we'll change the color of the text to white for the time being. Okay. Press T to get the text to. Once it's highlighted, just make it slant and move it to the left. Yes, nudge it a bit. Okay, that's done. Now we'll need to add a stroke effect to the blue box. To do that, just double click the layer. We'll have it as a header box, header underscore p or x. Okay, double click it to get the layer style. Click on stroke and we'll have inside, and we'll change the fill type to gradient. Because what we could do is right click the image layer, copy it and paste it onto the header box. So it gives us the same effect, same stroke effect. What we'll do is we'll have a bit of shadow. Okay, increase the size a bit. We'll reduce the opacity to around 44. Distance it up a bit, size it a bit, and reduce the opacity. Well, that's cool. Okay,